Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I will be walking you through how to buy the SafeMoons cryptocurrency in just a few simple steps. For this tutorial, we will be using the Trust crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So let's go ahead and get started. The best and quickest way to buy the SafeMoon crypto is through the Trust wallet. The Trust wallet is a decentralized wallet that has access to decentralized applications, or dApps for short. Its main goal is to make crypto more accessible with an intuitive and easy to understand user interface. We will need to first install the Trust crypto and Bitcoin wallet, which you can find in the App Store or Google Play Store. All you need to do is search for Trust and it should come up. When searching for the Trust wallet, it's important to ensure it's the right app and to watch out for imposter applications. On the Google Store, it has over 5 million downloads, for example, and so I know it's the right application I'm trying to install. And I actually already have the Trust wallet installed on my device, and so I will go ahead and click open. If this is your first time using the Trust wallet, you will be asked to create a new wallet and to remember a 12-word recovery seed phrase, or you can think of that as like your password that you will just need to copy and keep in a safe place. This step is very, very important in case you want to import your wallet to other devices, or if you ever get locked out of the Trust app, you can use this 12-word recovery phrase to sign back into your wallet and access your crypto. So you see, I've opened up the Trust wallet and I actually already have some SafeMoon in my wallet, a very small balance of about 200,500 SafeMoons. I also have some other crypto like Smartchain BNB, as well as some Ethereum and Elongate, which is another crypto I'm pretty excited about. And I've actually noticed my SafeMoon balance has grown. So I originally bought about 200,000, but just between now and yesterday, I have about 500 more. And so that's the cool thing about SafeMoon, is that your balances grow by the minute. SafeMoon claims it rewards people who buy and hold on to the cryptocurrency. And so it's just really exciting to see my balance grow over time. So now that you are all set up with your Trust wallet, we are almost ready to buy some SafeMoon. In order to buy SafeMoons, we first actually need to buy some Binance Coin, or BNB for short. We will need to have that deposited in our wallet. We will then use this Binance Coin to essentially swap it for SafeMoons. So you won't be able to use Ethereum or Bitcoin to buy SafeMoons. You can only buy the SafeMoons crypto via Binance Coin or BNB for short. So if you don't already have Binance Coin, it's one of the largest cryptos out there by market cap. I think it's in the top 3. It's really accessible and easy to purchase. So for those located outside of the United States, I recommend purchasing BNB from the Binance exchange, which is really one of my favorite exchanges and the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. I have the link to the Binance exchange in the video description below. If you use that link, it helps support my YouTube channel and would be greatly appreciated. And of course, if you're looking for a tutorial on how to buy Binance Coin step by step on the Binance exchange, you can check out the video at the top of your screen as well for a quick guide. And for my viewers located in the United States, you actually won't be able to use Binance, but instead can use Binance.us to purchase BNB. Again, it's extremely easy to sign up and create an account. I'll have a link for that as well in the video description. And those links to the Binance exchange or Binance.us exchange really help support my YouTube channel and would be greatly appreciated. So once you have successfully purchased BNB, you will need to send it to your Trust wallet And we can do that just by clicking into BNB, and you can click receive, and you'll just copy and paste this wallet here, and you can withdraw on the Binance exchange. It only takes a few minutes for the Binance network to send your BNB from the Binance exchange to the Trust wallet. And I'm just going to go back into my wallet here. So now that we have some BNB in our Trust wallet, we'll actually need to swap our Binance Coin to the Binance Smartchain. And I've actually already completed this step, but to do so, all you need to do is click inside your BNB wallet, and you will just click this more option here, and you will click swap to Smartchain. And then you can say, you know, how much of your BNB balance you want to switch over to the Smartchain. I just converted, I don't have any of a BNB balance right now, but what I did, I just clicked this 100% and clicked swap. And so that's how you swap your BNB over to the BNB Smartchain. So now we are finally getting to the good part. I promise. We'll be buying some SafeMoon soon. They're within reach in just a few more steps. Now we'll get to the really fun stuff. So we're going to click this dApps button down here to the right of the wallet. And on my history, you can see I've already been using the PancakeSwap exchange, which we'll be using to buy SafeMoons. But if you don't see it there, what you can do is you can scroll down, and eventually you should see this PancakeSwap flipping is coming stack cake on the Binance Smart Chain. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And while that's loading, you're probably asking yourself, what is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is a Binance Smart Chain based decentralized exchange, or DEX for short, launched by some anonymous developers with a penchant for breakfast food. And the great thing about using PancakeSwap is the extremely low fees and all the amazing features and functionality it offers on the Binance Smart Chain. Right now, Ethereum fees are really high, so it's hard to do these swaps on the Ethereum chain. So that's why we're using the Binance Smart Chain. So now that you've went ahead and you've clicked PancakeSwap and the dApp is open, in the top right, you will need to connect your wallet. If you'd like, you can set up your profile as well, which you don't really need to do so yet. But as you can see, mine is already connected, and so I'm ready to use the exchange. The exchange should open by default, but if it doesn't, you can just go to this menu tab here in the top left, and under the trade, you should see this exchange. But I already have that selected, and so we're good to go there. And of course, ensure you have swap selected here. And as you can see, we will be swapping BNB, which I have a balance of about 0.45 BNB available to swap. And then under this arrow here, we will be searching for SafeMoon. So let's go ahead and click this drop down menu. And SafeMoon is already appearing for me there. But if it's not for you, you can just type in SafeMoon here. And if it doesn't pop up, if you don't see SafeMoon come up here, then you can copy and paste the wallet address. I will place that in the video description below. You'll just need to copy and paste that, and it will automatically locate SafeMoons for you. Now we just need to enter in the amount of SafeMoons we want to purchase, or how I like to do it, I will just type in the amount of SafeMoons I want to purchase with my BNB. So I want to buy 0.01 BNB worth of SafeMoon, which is about 1.2 million or so, if I'm reading that correctly. And so, whatever you're comfortable with, the amount you want to buy, whenever you're ready, you'll just go ahead and click swap. And as you know, cryptocurrency is extremely volatile. The price is fluctuating constantly. But let's see what happens. We'll go ahead and click confirm swap, and it's waiting for confirmation. It looks like it's going to work on my first pass, which is great. And I'm going to be charged a network fee, about $1.22. And I'm just going to go ahead and click approve. And my transaction was submitted. So I did just successfully buy some SafeMoon, but if you do encounter an error, you may need to adjust your slippage fee and increase it. So how do you do that, and what do I mean by that? So let's go ahead and click this button here, the settings button. And you see my, okay, that's why it worked on the first time. So I set my slippage fee to 20% here. I think the default is like 0.8. And so you may get an error when trying to buy some SafeMoons there. So just go ahead and set it to like 10 or 12 and just keep on raising it until you don't get that error anymore. So hopefully that makes sense. I can answer any questions you have in the comments section below. So there you have it. You now have SafeMoons. Let's go ahead and check my wallet. I originally had about 200,000 SafeMoons, and let's go ahead and refresh this. Boom, I have about 1.1 million more SafeMoons in my wallet, and the balance is growing by the minute as well, which is really awesome to watch. So there you have it. And just to quickly summarize, so you need to download and set up the Trust wallet. Second, you'll need to buy some Binance Coin from the Binance exchange and send it to your BNB wallet address on Trust Wallet. Then you will swap your BNB for Binance Smartchain, and then you will go to the Pancake DEX and swap your Binance Smartchain for SafeMoons, and that's it. It sounds really complex at first, but once you get more familiar with the Trust wallet and PancakeSwap and decentralized exchanges in general, it all starts to slowly make more sense.
I hope you found this video useful, and now you know how to buy the SafeMoons cryptocurrency. If you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'm more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you might have. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you really liked it, make sure you click subscribe. Best of luck to all of you moving forward, and thanks for watching.